Magandang umaga, ngayon po ay araw ng Linggo, November 17, 2024. Update po muli sa lagay ng panahon. Bagyong Pipito, lumakas pa at papalapit na po sa kalupaan. Signal number 5, itinaas na. Taglay ng bagyo ang lakas ng hangin, aabot sa 195 km per hour at pagbugsong hangin umaabot sa 240 km per hour. West-northwestward kumikilos sa bilis na 20 km per hour. Signal number 5, nakataas na po sa Catanduanes. Signal number 4, the northeastern portion of Camarines Sur and the northeastern portion of Albay. Signal number 3, Polillo Islands, the southeastern portion of Milan, Cagayan. Camarines Norte, the rest of Camarines Sur, the rest of Albay and the northern portion of Sorsogon, eastern and central portion of Northern Samar and the northern portion of Eastern Samar. Signal number 2, the southern portion of Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, the eastern portion of Pangasinan, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Tarlac, Pampanga, the southern portion of Zambales, Bataan, Metro Manila, Rizal, the rest of Quezon, Laguna, Cavite, Marinduque, Burias Island, and Ticao Island, central portion of Eastern Samar, the northern portion of Samar, and the rest of Northern Samar. Habang signal number 1 sa mainland Cagayan, the rest of Isabela, Apayao, Kalinga, Abra, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, the rest of Pangasinan, the rest of Zambales, Batangas, northern portion of Occidental Mindoro, northern portion of Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, and the rest of Masbate, rest of Eastern Samar, Biliran, northern and central portion of Leyte, northeastern portion of Southern Leyte, and the northernmost portion of Cebu and kasama ng Bantayan Islands, and the northernmost portion of Iloilo. Pagkatapos ng maglandfall ng bagyo sa Catanduanes, posible itong tumuloy ang pagkilos nito pa west-northwestward at maglandfall sa bahagi ng Aurora Province sa mainland Luzon ngayong araw.